Again, eyeball. I mean, meron namang mas tamang paggawa nito, no? Ayun, gumamit tayo ng ruler, tapos guguhin na natin. Pero, tamad tayo eh. Alam nyo yan, tamad din kayo eh. Kaya nga kayo nag-YouTube. I gotta explain it. Kita nyo yung pa-curve siya, di ba? Pa-curve ko talaga gusto yan.
Bubukas na yan?
Maganon yan eh.
NANI?!
No.
NANI?!
No.
What's up guys, and welcome to a rainy Tuesday morning. Today you're gonna watch me build a ramp for the Vespa. For security reasons, we'd like to put the bike in, and whatever bike I'll be reviewing, I'd like to be able to shoot inside the house. So we're going to make a ramp out of, I wanted it to be a 2x2 or a 2x2 piece of wood, but this is the only piece of wood that we have right now. So it's 2x1 inches of this kind of wood that I don't know what is. I have a saw, not a nice one. I have a hammer and assorted nails. Join me as I try to whip up a ramp in around 15 minutes. I will very much make sure that this is a stable and solid ramp that is gonna keep the bike safe as it makes its way up this 5 inches, which is to our living room. I may need to use another plank just to provide a more flat solution, but we'll see. Maybe the steps of the 2x1 foot blocks that I'll be making will provide traction for the wheels. Will also still provide a good enough angle as far as the gradient is concerned, so that the bike will not have such a hard time getting up. Especially if you have a very heavy bike, you may encounter hardships such as your engine dying if you don't have enough torque and you're trying to get it up something steep. So please do stay tuned and see how it goes. It's been a while since I've done any kind of carpentry work. So join me, maybe you'll learn a bit. Maybe you'll end up making a ramp for your own place, so you can take photos of your bike inside the living room. So walang sukat-sukat dito. Tingin-tingin lang. Good. So since we have yung kapal ng ating rampa, hopefully you guys can see this. Didikit na natin siya sa susunod na ating puputulin na parte. Pero, good enough. So, nagawa na tayo dalawa. Gawa lang tayo ng konting maths. Kulang pa para gumawa ng maths. Ulit natin. Eyeball lang. Dahil ulit naman tayo. Nakatatlo ako in 4 minutes. Ulit naman tayo ng kamay. Bago tayo. So hopefully I'm as good a saw on my right hand as I am on my left. Left-handed po kasi talaga ako, pero dahil ito ay tinatawag na right-handed na tool, madali siguro. So yun ang maganda sa paglalagari, no? Hindi siya parang pagmamartilyo na kung kaliwete ka lang, basta magawa mo yung movement, harap likod, gagawa mo yung paglalagari. Hindi nga lang ganun kabilis, pero gusto mo mag-recover yung kabilang kamay mo, posible to. Ito maganda yung lighting natin dito sa kabilang side ng garage dahil nga against the sun tayo kanina. So malinis nun pala ang pagkakaputol natin gamit ang kanang kamay. So again, eyeball. I mean, meron namang mas tamang paggawa nito, no? Ayun, gumamit tayo ng ruler, tapos guguhin na natin. Pero tamad tayo eh. Alam nyo yan, tamad din kayo eh. Kaya nga kayo nag-YouTube. I gotta explain it. let's measure now. Para makita natin kung abot ba itong isang piraso nating kahoy. And that's the verdict. So ang kailangan natin ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kailangan natin ng 5 para lang dito sa unang parte ng ating rampa. Pero ang kahoy natin makagawa na lang ng 3. Kailangan natin, so if that's 5, we're gonna need another 4, making 9, another 3, 12, 2, 14. So we're gonna need 15 of these, and we're only able to make 8, 9. So kulang tayo mga kapatid. Kulang tayo ng 6. So I mean, I could have made it work. Kaya naman sanang gumawa ng rampa na mas makipot, or wheel width lang. Pero hindi natin ginawa yun dahil hindi tayo gumamit ng metro, hindi tayo nag-max bago natin nag-start maglagari. But that's okay mga kapatid. That's an honest mistake, honestly dumb mistake. So catch you guys on the next video, kasi for now hindi tayo makapunta ng hardware, meron tayong meeting at 1, and wala na, pagod na ako, tinatamad na ako. Okay, bye bye. May naisip ako, gagawin ko siyang pataas. So baka tayo, putol ko ulit. Okay, so mangyari, ito na siya. Ito yung pataas niya. Pero baka i-tiin natin ng ganyan. Siyempre may mix and match mo mga pwedeng combinations para mabuo yung rampa. Yan yun. Nakita nyo. So, unti-unti siya pataas. Ngayon, kailangan natin plywood or something. Well, Power of TV Magic, meron po. Meron po tayong plywood. Kita niyo yung pa-curve siya, di ba? Pa-curve ko talaga gusto yan. It's a jigsaw puzzle talaga of how I can fit these 2x1 pieces of wood. That's it. That's a wrap. So after around 20 minutes of work and fiddling around, I've designed this. I guess the next step is to hammer things down. So I would just orient the blocks in such a way that they would make a progressive ramp from the garage all the way to the floor of the living room. I've also made a baseboard. The base is going to keep these blocks this far away always. So I'm just gonna be finding a way to hammer this thing in, to put nails into it so that it's sturdy. But yeah, I'm having a few issues like this one. I realized na this piece of wood that I found already has a cut on it, and it's on a structural part. So we may have to flip. In this case, it's still on a structural part, which is here. So not entirely sure about that. We'll see. We'll grab some lunch first. We'll grab some lunch first and we'll catch you later when we try again. This is my second time giving up, but the thing about giving up is don't give up. Rest, think, eat, and somehow you'll find a way. See you later. What's up, guys, and welcome to this episode of Really Dumb Ideas. Bale.
Nakakit yan dito?
Dulas yan.
May pa ako ito.
Wala pa.
Dulas na yan.
Maganon yan eh.
NANI?
No.
NANI?
No.
Hawakan mo na kayo ito. Lagyan niyo mo doon.
Teka, alam ko na. Yung step 1 lang. Step 1 daw. Step 1 daw.
Sige dito.
If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike what we did, which a lot of you will, let us know in the comments below what we could have done better. And I kind of know what we could have done better. But as always, like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye, guys.
Zombie apocalypse.